The global average human lifespan is 73 years. This means that if you are watching this video now, by 2124 you will be dead. So, what does this mean? The Roman philosopher Seneca said in a letter, "It is not that we have a short space of time, but that we waste much of it. It means the time that you have is limited. The temporary problems that you have are not relevant in the grander scheme of things, so you must stop being short-sighted. Look at the bigger picture and move towards the big goals you have. If you become disciplined now, in 100 years, you will leave a legacy attached to your name. Nobody will remember your problems or your excuses. They will only remember your actions. If you don't want to be forgotten, if you want to live even after dying, you need to lock in. Understand how valuable your time is, and ignore what anybody else says. In 100 years, all of us will be dead. It doesn't matter what people say. The only thing that matters is what you do.